There's a stolen taxi parked in the center of the city. Fetch. The boss' wife has been visiting a friend. Go, pick her up. Okay, now wait for the boss wife to get in.
Hi, handsome. Take me to the hotel. Could you be allowed and pick up my, fitness instructor on the way?
Okay, now wait for him to get in the car. Take us to the hotel and take your time.
Thanks for the lift, hon. I'd appreciate it if you could keep this to yourself. Also, could you watch our bags as we go in the hotel?
Here's your payment. Okay, get your lazy arse back to the phones for more missions. A rival crime lord's brother has just bought a house in the south of the city. We've decided to kidnap him. His house is heavily guarded, but we think it should be possible for you to slip in unnoticed. Although you can go in all guns blazing if you like.
Move and I'll blow your head clean off.
Okay, I'll come quietly.
Great! Now, take him to the helicopter on the roof. Now, wait for the kidnappee to get on board. Okay, now, fly him to our helipad to the northeast. Okay, now get up.
Bring him to us.
Ah, job well done. Here's your payment. Now, get out of here. Okay, move your fat butt over to the phones for more missions. Weasel fancies himself as a drug lord has got a ship hidden in a bus to leave the hotel. Make sure that we remain the only supplier. If you need it, there's a bazooka hidden in the alleyway near this phone. Remember that the petrol tank is at the back of the bus. Just to make things interesting, I only got 75 seconds to do it. Think of it as a little test. him up. Here's your money, but keep an eye out for what comes. Go to the payphones for more missions. The rival crime lord has given in to our ransom demands. We've hidden his brother in the boot of a Blue Mondinho parked in the southeast of the city. Go and pick it up. Okay, now drive to the car park in the south of the city. Make the train. Get out of here! Okay, wait for them to put the briefcase down. Okay, now pick it up. Ha! Great! Now give them for some extra money. Ah, nice one. Here's the extra money. Go back to the phones if you want more.